If you want to know how to delete contacts in Gmail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove one contact or multiple contacts from your Google Contacts list safely and easily. This is useful if you want to clean up old email addresses, remove duplicate entries, or simply organize your contacts better. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is the official Google Contacts page, where all of your Gmail contacts are stored and managed. Once the page loads, sign in with the same Gmail account that contains the contacts you want to delete. After signing in, you'll see your full list of contacts. Take a moment to find the contact you want to remove. To select it, click the checkbox next to their name. If you want to delete more than one contact, you can select multiple checkboxes one by one before deleting them. After selecting the contact or contacts, look toward the top right area of the screen and click the three dot menu icon. This opens up more options for managing your selected contacts. From the menu, click Delete. Google will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the contact. This is an important step because once deleted, the contact will no longer appear in your Google Contacts list. Click Confirm Delete to finish the process. The contact will now be removed from your Gmail contacts. If you want to delete another contact, just repeat the same steps. Select the contact, click the three dot menu, choose Delete, and confirm. This method works great when you want to tidy up your contact list quickly without digging through Gmail settings or complicated menus. And that's it. You now know how to delete contacts in Gmail in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy tutorials just like this one.